Okay, for this lock, when programming, we should put this bracket and this lock together, otherwise it will trigger alarm. So to add the card, this is the must card. So to add new users, we swipe it with the reader like one time, then the light will flashing, then we add new users. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's done. Then we add this again to exit. So we check if the tag is added successfully or not. Here, see, it works. Then there is a magnetic sensor here, so the lock will close automatically. Then move it away. See, this is one step. Another way to add the users is use this IR remote control. So first we enter the programming status, press this, press password, problem. So the light is red, so it is in programming status. To add the new users, we press press 1 and this button. Then we swipe the blank card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we press this exit. So we check if the tag done or not. So it works. See? Okay, done.